What is up, everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today my friend here brought his Audi and we're going to be installing a front lip. The lip is a Maxton design gloss black finish. I'll try to find it and link it down below, but now let's just go into the installation portion. So I unfortunately do not have alcohol right now, so I just got this cloth and wet it, and we're just gonna gently wipe down the bottom of the bumper, and then we'll clean off the lip, and we're just gonna put some masking tape, well, just some tape to align it, and then we will put the 3M tape and the self-tapping screws. Alright, so right here we're just getting the front lip aligned. We just put these little pieces of tape once we centered it, and now we're just gonna put the 3M tape underneath here and tape it up, and then we'll get into the self-tapping screws. Since we couldn't find 3M tape around us, we just decided to go with this Scotch extremely strong mounting strip. We'll let you know if it actually holds up by the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So neither of us have ever installed a lip, but we just put a bunch of the double-sided strips all over it, and you can see the pattern that we decided to go with right there. Now I'm just going to peel off the top layer and mount it to the bumper, and then we'll go into the self-tapping screws. Alright, so we're pretty much struggling to put the bolts in, but we're going to put in about 12 bolts all around the lip right underneath. We're just drilling straight between where we put the 3M tape. We'll keep y'all updated on how this comes out. So in order to secure the lip, we just use these cross bolts that are 3/4 of an inch thick. We put 3 on this side, 5 in the middle, and 3 down here. Now I'm just gonna put it down and give y'all a cinematic. Bye, Josh.
See ya. Thanks for your help, man.
No problem.